Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, the CBSE board has made many changes in the question paper pattern. They are now focusing more on application based and concept based questions. This means students who are very clear with the concepts, they can score easily well in their exam. You have already experienced this in the mathematics paper. Most of the questions were competency based and concept oriented. So in today's video, I'm going to solve the most expected questions. And all these questions are strictly based on competency level. That is concept based questions. So don't skip the video. Watch till the end. If, if you have any doubt while watching, feel free to ask in the comment section. Now let us start the class. Our first question is about projector. The above image shows specialized slide projector. Slides are small transparent pictures mounted in strong frames. They are ideal for magnification and projection because they have very high resolution and excellent image quality. The slide projector has tray in which the slides must be placed in a specific orientation so that the viewers see an enlarged direct image on the screen. The slides are inserted upside down in the projector tray to show our students the image of insects that she investigated in the laboratory. Mrs. Iyer brought the slide projector. The slide projector produced an image that was 500 times larger and inverted. This image was formed on the screen placed 10 meter away from the projector. This information will use to analyze the image formed in the slide projector. So what will be our first question? Okay, based on the text and based on the paragraph, they given few questions here. Our first question is based on the text and data given in the above paragraph, what kind of lens must the slide projector have? What is your answer? What type of the lens they are using in slide projector? Based on the scenario, the slide projector uses a concave lens or converging lens to produce real inverted and magnified image. Okay. Okay. Second question. If V is the symbol used for image distance and U is the object distance, then with one reason state what will be the sign for V by U in the given case. So here they given V is image distance, U is object distance. Okay. So sign for object distance, that is U. So object distance is negative. This is because the slide is placed to left of the lens. That means in front of the projector. So while drawing diagrams, ray diagram, we are keeping object left side of the lens. And according to Cartesian sign convention, distance are measured against the direction of incident light are negative. Okay. Based on this paragraph, again they given one more question. A slide projector has convex lens with a focal length 20 cm. The slide is placed upside down 21 cm from the lens. How far away should the screen be placed from the slide projector lens so that slide is in focus? So here, after reading this question, you can understand the given answer as convex lens. A slide projector as convex lens with the focal length of 20 centimeter. So what is our first question? So in the first question, they're asking what type of the lens used in slide projector. In third question, they give an answer. First question answer there in third question. So if you read questions carefully, you'll get answer there only. Okay. So what is our answer? A slide projector has the convex lens with the focal length of 20 centimeter. That means focal length they given here, that is 20 centimeter. Slide is placed upside down 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter from the lens. This is object distance. Object distance how much they given? 21 centimeter. Use lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substitute the data. So first you rewrite the formula. Here we are going to find image distance. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Then 1 by v is equal to focal length is 20 centimeter. Substitute the values in the place of v. So in the place of f, 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 21. Object distance is 21 centimeter. Take LCM for 20 and 21. LCM is 420. Here 1 by V is equal to, in numerator we'll get 21 minus 20 divided by 420. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 420. Then V is equal to 420 centimeter. Next question. Our question they given, when a slide is placed 15 centimeter behind the lens in the projector, the image is formed 3 meter in front of the lens. If the focal length of the lens is 14 centimeter, draw the ray diagram to show image formation. Okay, since focal length is 14 centimeter, object distance is 15 centimeter, that means we are keeping object between 2f1 and f1. If we keep object at 2f1 and f1, image will form behind 2f2. Let us move on to the next question. Why do electrical appliances with metallic bodies are connected to main through a 3-pin plug, whereas an electric bulb can be connected with a 2-pin plug? She wrote, 3 pins connection reduce heating of conducting wires or heating of connecting wires. So first question is our answer correct or incorrect? Justify. Second question, what is the function of fuse in domestic circuit? First we'll solve first one. First understand the question. Why do electrical appliances with metallic bodies are connected to mains through a 3-pin plugs, whereas electric bulb can be connected with a 2-pin plug? So what is her answer? She written, 3 pins connection reduce heating of connecting wires. Now this answer is correct or not? Justify your answer. Now let us analyze Ananya's answer. Ananya answer is incorrect. 3-pin plugs are not used to reduce heating of wires. So you know domestic electric circuit. In domestic electric circuit, we can see three types of the wires. One is live wire, earth wire, and neutral wire. So this third pin, that means the third wire is earth wire. 3-pin plugs are not used to reduce heating of wires. They are used for safety purpose. That is for earthing. The third pin, which is longer and thicker, connects the metallic casing of the appliances to the earth. That means it connects the metallic body of the appliances to the ground, means earth. This provides a low resistance path for leakage current to flow to the ground, thereby preventing electric shock. Now, coming to the justification, electric appliances with metallic bodies require 3-pin plug for earthing. If live wires accidentally touches metallic casing or metallic body of the appliances, the earth wire carries current to the ground. The extra leakage of current is carried by earth wire to where? To ground. This causes the fuse to blow, protecting the user from electric shock. Now, coming to electric bulb. Okay, in the case of electric bulb has non-metallic casing such as glass or plastic. So for that, we can connect bulb for two sockets. 2-pin plug is sufficient for electric bulb. Now let us answer the second part. What is the function of fuse in domestic electric circuit? So you know about fuse, right? Rating of the fuse, everything you know. Fuse means what? Fuse is a safety device used to protect domestic electric circuits from overloading and short circuiting. When the current exceeds the safe limit, the fuse wire melts due to heating effect of electric current. So what will happen then? It breaks the circuit and prevents damage to appliances and fire hazards. So, from the chapter Magnetic Effect of Electric Current, there is a last concept called domestic electric circuit. This is very simple concept. Most of the time students neglect it. But in many sample papers, the board exam question papers, they given case-based question from this topic. So this concept is very important from the exam point of view. Now let us look at the question. So they given one question based on domestic electric circuit. First I will read the question. Question number 37. In our homes, we receive supply of electric power through a main supply, also called mains, either supported through overhead electric poles or by underground cables. In our country, the potential difference between two wires, that means live wire and neutral wire of this supply is 220 volt. Based on this paragraph, they given one question. Write the colors of insulation covers of the line wires through which supply comes to our
Colors
homes.
of insulation covers. Live wire insulation is red color, neutral wire insulation is black color, and earth wire insulation cover is green color or green yellow color. Okay, next second question. What should be the current rating of electric circuit so that an electric iron of 1 kilowatt power rating can be operated? Here they given potential difference 220 volt and power 1 kilowatt. So we know power formula. What is that? P is equal to V into I. Here in the question they given potential difference and power. By using these two quantities, we can find out current value. So write down formula. P is equal to V into I. So we are finding I. Then rewrite the formula I is equal to P by V. So what is the power? P is equal to 1 kilowatt they given. 1 kilowatt convert into watt, that is 1000 watt. 1000 watt potential difference is 220 volt. 1000 watt divided by 220 volt gives 4.55 ampere. So that means 5 ampere of fuse we should use.
Okay, let us move on to the next question. The question is, what is the function of earth wire? State the advantages of earth wire in domestic electric appliances such as electric iron. So in this question, they give an example. The example is electric iron. We should state and means we should write advantages of earth wire in domestic electric appliances such as electric iron. So let us discuss about earth wire function first. So we know about earth wire. The earth wire color is green color. The earth wire plays very important role in electrical safety. Its main function is to provide safe path for extra current or leakage electric current to flow into the ground. Now let us understand its advantages using domestic appliances like electric iron. If the live wire accidentally touches the metal body of the iron box or electric iron, the earth wire immediately carries the current safely into the ground. This prevents electric shock to the user and also protect the appliances from damage. That's why the earth wire is essential for our safety. Okay, students, now let us discuss the precaution to avoid electrical shock or electrical accidents. Later, we'll go with how they protect us. So, our first point is use proper insulation wires. Do not touch switches or appliances with wet hands. Use fuse or MCB of correct rating. You know about MCB. MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. Next point is avoid overloading sockets. Ensure proper earthing of appliances. Use good quality of plugs and switches. Our first point is we should always use proper insulated wires. Insulation prevents leakage of electric current and protect us from electric shock. Second point, never touch electric switches or any appliances with wet hands. Why this is important? Because water is a good conductor of electricity and wet hands can cause severe electric shock. Third point, always use a fuse or MCB of correct rating. So, as I already said, MCB means miniature circuit breaker. These safety devices automatically break the circuit during overloading or short circuit. They protect circuit or electric appliances and prevent fire accidents. So, okay, our next point, avoid overloading electric shock sockets. Next point is avoid overloading electrical sockets. You know about overloading. What is mean by overloading? Too many electrical appliances are connected to a single socket, then they will draw an extremely large amount of the current from the mains. This means we should not connect too many electrical appliances to the single socket. If we do this, a large amount of electrical current flows to the wire. This can overheat the wires and damage the circuit. Next point, ensure proper earthing of the electrical appliances. So you know about earthing. So what it will do? Earthing provides a safe path for extra current to flow into the ground and protect us from electrical shock. Finally, always switch off the main power supply before repairing or handling any electrical appliances. This ensures completely safety while working with
Please
the
subscribe to
electricity.
the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you everyone.